on, ladies and gentlemen, and croissants. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to make the Freddy Fazbear a tutorial. So first, I'm gonna get a normal cube by pressing the Add Cube button. Right. We're gonna resize it to be a good size. We're gonna make the snout. So make sure it's a good size for his mouth. There we go. We'd want to get one more cube, and then we'd want to make the nose. So we can resize it to be a nose, just like that. And you can make the nose bigger if your snout's too much big, if the nose is too big. But, okay. And something else you have to do, get a cube, and make sure it's on the side. And this is something important. Make sure it's behind it, like this. One block behind. And then you want to resize it to be like a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. And then duplicate it by doing Control D. Control D. And then put it on the other side. Do Control D again. Put it on top of here. And then you'd want to resize it to be one, like that, like one off. And then you want to make it longer. Control D, put it on the other side. Control D, put it in the middle. But make sure it's the same size as the nose. Control D, here. I'm going to make this longer. So basically, Control D and move it, and make sure it's a good size for the eyes. Make sure it's a good size for the eyes. And then there we go. Right now we have like the face finished, the face part, the face plate. Now we're gonna make like the back of the head. So I'd suggest getting all the stuff that's from here, and don't get the snout or the nose. And I would resize it, kind of, to be the same size as the snout. Now we're going to get another cube, and then we're going to resize it to be the same length as this. And then we're going to stretch it out as far as you want the head to be. And then Control D to duplicate it, and then get it again, and make sure it's the same size as this part, as the top part, and boink. And now look at our head. Look at the head. Of course, you can make it bigger whenever you want. You can make the head bigger. But yeah. Now let's move on to the jaw. You'd want to go to one of the cubes that is on here, and then you'd want to make sure you hold shift. Hold shift. Go all the way down, and then press the last one. And then it gets all of that. Get the move tool and move it up. Oops. Get the move tool and move it up. And then move all of it up. Okay, now get another cube, and then you'd want to stretch it out, or you can do this. Move it to be right here, like right here, like the second part of the snout, and then move it all the way back here, and make sure it's not all the way big. It's not all the way too big or too small. Make sure it's not too big or too small. And you gotta rotate it to be for the red. You gotta rotate the red one. And then blank. There's that. Now, you gotta get the move tool and move it like this. Alright, now you have a jaw. You have a jaw part. You got a jaw. Now, something else that you would like to do. Well, if you'd like to. Well, not if you'd like to, you have to do this. So you basically gotta make ears, obviously. Gotta make his ears. Little ears. So I wouldn't go all the way too far in the back, but I also wouldn't go too far in the front. I wouldn't go too far, like... So I'd like put it not in the middle, but like more over here. And make sure that ear's not too big or too small. Make sure it's big enough. And then Control D, and then move it to the other side. There we go. Now, and then you'd want to put it on top of his head. You'd want to resize it and make sure it's not too far on the front or too far on the back. Make sure it's like the same length. And then where'd my mouse go? There you go. Alright. So you'd want to get this, and you'd like to resize it. And then, so yeah, resize it to a good size. Resize it to a good size. And then press Control D and put it on top of here. And then you'd want to make sure it's like 1. Like you resize it -1. And then make sure it's bigger. Like that. And then you made a hat. Made his top hat. Now that we got that down, we need to make like part of his endoskeleton in his mouth. So let's start by getting a cube, making it long, and make sure it's the same size as your nose, as Freddy's nose that you've made. And then make sure to rotate it, and then move it inside of his jaw, and make sure it's in the side of his mouth, like inside of his mouth, but also touching his jaw, the jaw part, like that. But make sure it's not too out, like that. And then you'd want to Control D the thing, and then rotate it to be kind of like the same rotation as the jaw, and make sure it's shorter. And then you've got yourself the endoskeleton, but I would make this part bigger. Let me cook. Because it's hard to get the endoskeleton right. Okay, there we go. I'd say this is about good. Okay, now we're gonna add the teeth. So let's get a cube, and then I do it like this. So I'd put it just to make sure it's like a teeth. I'm gonna right click it and go to mark color right here, and press it, and then it should say light blue, yellow, orange, red, and all this stuff. I'm just going to change it to a random color. Okay. Now, I'd like make it like this. And then I'd move it to the mouth. Okay, and then there's the teeth. Got him some good teeth. Shiny teeth. Need to brush his teeth. Alright. And now, I'm going to get everything that's in the head. Everything that's in his head. Everything that's supposed to be brown, just hold shift and then click on it. Just his fur and all that. We're gonna go to paint and make sure it's still selected and create a texture. And name it whatever you want. I don't name mine. Alright, now let's pick a color. Go to like an orange color and try and pick out a good brown. Pick out a good brown. You can even see it. I'm just doing that. I think this is good. So I'm gonna start by coloring all of it. Start by coloring all of it. Okay, now I'm gonna color the jaw to be brown. Okay, now I'm gonna choose like a more darker color. And then let's give it some more texture. Then I'm gonna get another darker color. Just to give it some more better texture. Mix in darker colors with then lighter colors and all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna get a lighter color. So mix in lighter colors with darker colors. Like do a lot of, so then it has a nice texture to it. I'm gonna make some eyebrows. So then there we go, we've got something here. So now let's get the same color you started with and start painting more. And then add on to the colors that you did. So I'm gonna just speed through this since I don't think you'd want to just see me do all this. And also something else that I think you should do is that you should copy this side and then put it on the other. Just to let you know. And also you can add stuff that you'd want to. Like anything else if you want to add something new. Also, here's a tool that you can do if you get the gradient tool and turn it to gray. Like, let's turn it to gray. And go on here, and you can turn a lot of the stuff gray. Like a gradient. It's great. Yeah, obviously it's a gradient tool. But basically, like, let's do it on the jaw. Like that. Like, do it everywhere. And look at this. If you want some blood, you can put it in his mouth like that, or you can put it on his teeth. Well, if you made a texture for it. Alright, so let's do this more. Let's do some more of this. Okay. Alright, there we go. We are now done with the Freddy Fazbear. There we are, guys. This is the first tutorial. Remember, you just make the shapes that I told you to do, and then just color in. I forgot one thing. The ears. The ears. Done. I hope this taught you what to do. This is part 1, and then we're gonna make the whole entire body. This is only part 1. The other video is just showing you that how I made it. This is like a slower tutorial, just to show. But yeah, subscribe, leave a like, hit that bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.